Alright, I'm gonna start prepping the gift bags, and this is what we're working with. These are the bags, and then I have a few little chocolates in here. These are the custom made soaps. We have custom made little biscuits, and this is if I feel like I want to add gift paper. Okay, now I need to find where to put you so that you guys can watch. I think this looks good enough. I don't have scissors, so I have to be quick because it's already 2:30 p.m. I don't know if I'm gonna have enough time. These are name tags. I'm gonna add a name tag for each gift bag to make it more personalized. I don't know if you can see, these look so cute. Unwrap these. 12 people in total are gonna come, including me. I'm just gonna prepare 12 gift bags, and then I need to put 4 more here. The bags are kind of big. They're big. I'm gonna do different colors. I'm out of breath, bro. I'm so sick. I have to open these. At first, I thought I was gonna do 20 gift bags, thinking 20 people are gonna come, but the list got even shorter. So I don't know how many are in here. 8. In total, 16. Yeah, 1 per bag. Okay, here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put these on the ground so that we go faster. Okay, I'll be back. Okay, so this is what we have going so far. I put 6 of these polka dot ones and then 6 stripes. I think that's good. I'm just gonna fill everything in and then show you because I'm really running out of time, and I'm not gonna do it with time lapse. And here there are the customized soaps, mini soaps. This is so cute. I think she put a little gift in here for me, which is so cute. But this is what the little soaps look like. It has the Kouka's Meetup with the date. Oh my god, I'm shaking. I'm out of breath. Alright, now I'm gonna add those to the little bags. Now it's time for the little personalized biscuits. Alright, let's go. I showed you these before, I think, so I'm gonna put 2 in each little bag. It's so hard to do this with one hand. So cute. Okay, let's put those. This is what they look like so far. I think they look pretty cute and colorful. I'm gonna add these tags, but I just realized I don't have a pen, and there are no pens in this hotel room. So I'm just gonna add them, and then maybe at the location write the names there. We're gonna see. Okay, so this is what the final product looks like. I tried to match the name. Oh my god, excuse me, I'm out of breath. I tried to match the name tag with the wrapping paper. It looks cute. I like it. It looks super cute. Good morning, guys. We're back home. We're back again with this view. This is officially gonna be my last morning waking up to this gorgeous, gorgeous view. Today's Thursday. We leave to the airport tonight. Our flight is at like 3 a.m. or something. I don't know how the time flew by. Everything went by so quickly. I just wanted to touch base and talk to her. I'm still sick, but I'm done with my meds. But I think I'm past the hard part of the sickness, alhamdulillah. So we went to the beach one last time with friends, though the water was not as clear as we hoped to, but it was very hot. I think it was 39 degrees at one point, but it's fine. We had a lot of fun with friends. We talked, we chilled, we ate. The food was so good, except for the rice, but everything else was so good. It was such a nice way to say goodbye to friends. Today, I think for the agenda, we're gonna go see a few family members. It's just going to be family packing, and that's it. Nothing planned. So I started packing, and this is what we're working with. Some stuff I'm gonna keep here in Tunis, and then some stuff is coming with me. I'm starving, so I need to wrap this up. This is so good. Thank you, mommy. Let's see the bite. Yeah, no, that's what I'm talking about. هذه ظل السفر بتاعنا.